there, it's February 26th. It's a little after 2:45 p.m. I'm Yvonne de Celis coming to you on YDCtv to show you a couple of quick energy healing techniques you can do to help with headaches. Before I begin, just to start off, Reiki breathing. Most important is that your tongue is at the roof of your mouth when you're breathing in. You can keep it there if you want, but you can drop it when you exhale. But it should be up at the roof of your mouth, up against your top teeth, the back of your top teeth. If you can breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth, that would be helpful too, but breathe however is comfortable to you. It's not something you should have to worry about too much. Most important thing is that you have the tongue at the roof of the mouth. This is something I actually used today after I had a kind of stressful morning. This is all about the move that my building has to go through, a temporary move. We're all going to have to move for about 2 years. And they came to measure our apartment today. And I thought it was going to be a lot worse than it was. But we also have a meeting in an hour and it's just one thing after another. So I started getting a really bad headache. And I looked up a Dondi Dahlin video. Dondi Dahlin, I'm going to put a link to her video in the description. And I'll also try to do a pop-up so that you can check her video out too, because she's amazing. She's Donna Eden's daughter, one of Donna Eden's daughters. So again, she started this off and then I added something to it, and then after that I'll show you guys one more thing you can do if this doesn't work. So what you want to start with is right here at your eyebrow ridges, which you can get to by, if you feel around, right over your eyebrows. They're about an inch over your eyebrow. There's like a little bump over the eyebrow and then there should be an indent. You want to put your fingers where the indent is, press in and then push up and keep dragging up until you get to your hairline. When you get to your hairline, just stay there for a moment. If necessary, you can spread your fingers out a little so you have it a little bit on the sides if your head's hurting really badly, and if you want to, you can also vigorously massage there. And then from there, twist your hands around so that the fingers are touching each other at the forehead at the center. And what you're going to do is press in and pull apart, pull down to your temples so that your fingers are on your temples. And here, if you want to, you can vigorously massage because that can be very helpful. And then after that, I'm going to try to turn around, really hoping the chair doesn't come all the way with me so you guys can see what I'm about to show you here. This is the one thing I added to this one because I had someone do this for me once when I had a migraine, and it actually really helps a lot. What you want to do is get to your power point, which is at the base of your skull in the back, where your spinal cord stops off. Right up at the top of the spinal cord and at the bottom of your skull, there's a little indentation. This is called your power point. I really hope that that's showing. I don't know if it is or not, but again, it would be right dead center, right where the skull meets with the back, with the top of your spine. There's a little indentation there. Either with one finger or two, like an index finger, a middle finger, just do some vigorous massaging there, or just simply press in and keep it pressed in for a little while. That should also help with alleviating pain. Don't press in to the point of pain, if at all possible. It could be uncomfortable, but not to the point of pain. But anyway, as I said, I was going to show you guys one more thing. This is a really short one, and I think this is for more shallow headaches, although I'm really not sure. Another thing you can try if you have a headache, or like a quick stress headache, is just plug up one nostril and breathe in through the other nostril. Just take a couple of breaths that way. Let's do 2 in and outs. Or you can plug it on the side too. And then just switch to the other side. And again, just plugging up one side and breathe in through this one. That's a good one to do as well. I do have another one that I'm going to try to show a little later on this week if I'm able to. It's a slightly longer one, but Donna Eden has that one as well. So if you're interested, just look up Donna Eden headaches. If I find a link to that one, I will include that here as well. Anyway, as always, thank you so much for your time. Namaste, peace and light. Sorry that this move is taking up so much of my time and yours as well, because you have to hear about it. But it's just been very stressful. I can't wait to get the whole thing over with. But this has been very helpful to me, and I hope it helps you too. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. Hit subscribe if you're interested in finding out more about my channel. And I guess that's it for now. Once again, namaste, peace and light, be as well as possible. Cheers. Peace.